Good day, this is Sheena Mia Pagaduan from BS Ed Math 2A. And for today's video, I will show you one of my solution in exercises 2.3, the inverse of a matrix. Problem number 39. Find x such that the matrix is singular or non-invertible. A is equal to 3, x, negative 2, and negative 3. Since we have a 2 by 2 matrix, we can use the formula of finding inverse where AD minus BC is not equal to 0. But since the given matrix is singular or non-invertible, that was stated in the problem, we can use AD minus BC is equal to 0 to get the value of x. But before we solve the value of x, let's denote first the matrix A as A, B, C, and D, where A is equal to 3, B is equal to x, C is equal to negative 2, and D is equal to negative 3. By using AD minus BC is equal to 0, then substitute the value of matrix A. We have 3 times negative 3 minus x times negative 2 is equal to 0. Then it becomes negative 9 plus 2x is equal to 0. By using the equation negative 9 plus 2x is equal to 0, we can find the value of x. Negative 9 plus 2x is equal to 0. By adding the additive inverse of negative 9, we get negative 9 plus 9 plus 2x is equal to 0 plus 9. Then 2x is equal to 9. Divide both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 9 over 2. Now that we have the value of x, we can check if the answer is correct. Now the matrix A is equal to 3, 9/2, negative 2, and negative 3. Adjoin identity matrix to A to form 3, 9/2, 1, 0, negative 2, negative 3, 0, and 1. Using Gauss-Jordan elimination, we multiply 1/3 to row 1 to form a new row 1. Because the first entry should be equal to 1. By multiplying 1/3 to row 1, it becomes 1/3 times 3 is equal to 1, 1/3 times 9/2 is equal to 3/2, 1/3 times 1 is equal to 1/3, and 1/3 times 0 is equal to 0. Now our matrix is equal to 1, 3/2, 1/3, 0, negative 2, negative 3, 0, and 1. Next, we need to transform negative 2 into 0. To do that, add 2 times the row 1 to row 2 to form a new row 2. 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus negative 2 is equal to 0. Then 2 times 3/2 is equal to 3 plus negative 3 is equal to 0. Next, 2 times 1/3 is equal to 2/3 plus 0 is equal to 2/3. Then 2 times 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Since the matrix has a row of zeros, we can conclude that it is a matrix A that has no inverse or non-invertible or singular matrix. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.